up the phone, you sexy beast.
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat, or about how your dad has gotten fat. Well, I picked up. Don't pick up.
Oh God. Sound the alarm!
Warning! Warning! There is someone you do not know trying to access your cell phone. I repeat, there is someone you do not know trying to access your cell phone. My suggestion is to hang up and wait until he calls back, and then call the cops. You have been warned.
It's peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Wait.